Activity 6 requires for us to place one test tube in the test tube rack, add 2 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. So we have the test tube rack and we have the sodium hydroxide, which is 2 milliliters, and we're going to add it to this test tube here.
Okay, now I'm just going to record the color of the observation, and it is a clear color.
All right, so measure the temperature of the solution and record it on the data sheet. So now we're going to measure the temperature. So here we go. Okay, the temperature is 17 degrees.
Okay, now we're going to observe the solution of the 1% phenolphthalein solution, and we're going to record that color.
Okay.
And that's the small one.
Okay. So the color of this solution is going to be clear. What are we doing here, Stephanie?
Okay, so we're just going to observe the solution and record the color. So observe just means
to look at it.
It's a clear color.
Okay,
and
so
that's step 3.
So now we're on step 4, which we did.
I'll go ahead and do step 4. We're going to measure the temperature of the sodium hydroxide and record it on the data table.
Okay, give me 1 second here. So now what we're doing is measuring the temperature of this here.
Yeah.
We're on number 5 now. Using a pipette, add 1 drop of
phenolphthalein.
Yeah, phenolphthalein.
Solution. We're gonna add 1 drop of it.
Which technically, we
that's
don't really
it.
need the pipette because it's already a dropper.
Yeah. So this is a dropper. So we're just gonna add it here.
Okay.
1 drop.
1 drop. There we are.
And then we'll gently swirl and mix, and then we'll insert the thermometer.
Oh, look at there.
Oh, cool.
It's a pretty pink. My favorite color.
Mine too, pink and green.
All right.
Okay, so now we're just gonna do the temperature of this.
Okay. I'm gonna check the temperature here. Okay, looks like we have a temperature of 19 degrees.
So we had a physical change and chemical change.
So now we're gonna observe for 1 minute, and then we'll record the final color and any final observations.
Okay. Right, that so after this 1 minute, it still is this fuchsia pink, and it looks like we may just have a chemical change. It didn't change from a liquid. It stayed a liquid. The only thing changed was the color from clear to pink, but it never did change its state of whether it was a solid or anything like that. So it's a chemical change, and that completes part A of activity 6. Turn it off.
With the temperature